In this video, I'll show you how to view all installed apps on your Android phone. So there's three different ways you can do this. The first one, if just from your home screen, if you just swipe through your pages, that'll show you all your apps. However, you may not have a shortcut icon for every app that you have installed, so it may not show up here. So the next way is go into your phone's settings, scroll down to apps or app management, load up your app list, and then every single app that you have installed on your phone will be here. So if there's any you don't use, you can go through and uninstall them. And the next way is if you go back to your home screen and swipe up, and there you can see where it says all apps, and you'll be able to click on any of the apps from this list. So that is how you view all installed apps on an Android phone.